Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to change your cover photo on Facebook. Maybe you want to change your cover photo on Facebook, but you don't know how. So in today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can change your cover photo on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into this page. In here, to change your cover photo, simply go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon. And then once you're in your profile page, simply tap on the cover photo. And there will be an option to choose. You'll see here view profile cover, create avatar cover photo, upload photo, select photo on Facebook, and create cover collage. In this tutorial, you need to tap on this upload photo and select the photo that you want to be your new cover. Once you tap on it, you will see in here you need to adjust your cover is now uploaded. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to change your cover photo on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change your cover photo on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.